Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. So welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals, and Quick and Easy Meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. and the hosts are the Simply Grace Lifestyle channel, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. So today I am going to be making a smoothie. So I have some Pandal blueberries bluest. I'm going to add some strawberries, cut up this apple, and here I have baby kale and spinach, baby spinach and kale, my bad. And I like these blueberries because look how big they are. So then I'm going to add some black chia seeds and this Fairlife protein. So I might add some, I'm going to add some ice to this. So let me mix all this together because my ring is upstairs and I don't have it handy with me. So instead of having, you know, like a normal breakfast, this morning I'm going to have a smoothie. So keep watching. Wait a minute, I forgot to tell you that I added a banana. So keep watching. All right, so here's what we have now. So I have my chia seeds in, my bananas, strawberries, blueberries. I cored this apple. I kept the skin on. And now here's my baby spinach and kale. And these types of pieces right here, I'm taking those out. I don't like anything that looks like that. And so I never know exactly any specific measurements. I just put in, you know, some sweetness to the veggies just so that it can taste good so that I can drink it. Now, again, I'm going to add this Fairlife, but check this out. So to give it the sweetness, if it's not sweet enough for me to drink it, I'll add a little honey, okay? So this is what I do. That's the way I make mine because that's what I like. That's the way I like to do it. So I'm going to put this all together, guys. I'm gonna let you see how it turns out. Keep watching. Okay, so my taste tester is tasting. I tasted it, it was good, not cold enough. I should put a little bit more ice in it, but I could put it in the fridge. So taste tester, it's morning time, so we're not dressed, guys. So taste tester, how is it?
Good.
It's good?
Very good. Right temperature, doesn't need to be cold.
It doesn't need to be cold? I think it needs to be a little colder. But anyway, so I didn't need to put the honey in it. But you know, this is a nice little change of pace. So you can see I've already tasted mine. So I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. I'm gonna wipe the edge off here, put it back in the fridge. But this, you know, it's a healthy morning shake, okay? Thanks for watching, and I will put the links for the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Simply Grace Lifestyle, Deborah Cabasa Home Living. I'll be putting the links to their channels in the description box below. Please let me know if you like this video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, guys. So I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and until the next one, bye-bye.